video, I'm going to tell you how to turn off or how to remove two-step verification in Roblox. So guys, before starting, if you're new on channel, you can consider subscribing to our channel. So let's start. First of all, you have to go to roblox.com, or you can open app on your phone. And once you open, guys, you have to go to the setting option. So you can go to setting on your mobile by tapping on your profile and go to setting and click on setting option. Once in the settings, guys, these are options will be appear in your phone, or so you just need to click on security. And in security, you will see this two-step verifications. So there are multiple method for the two-step verifications. First is authenticator app very secure, and basically it asks you to download app on your phone to generate unique security code. So whenever you log in on your account, so it will ask for those codes. And second method is email secure, and third method is security keys. So you have to you just need to keep these options turned off to remove the two-step verification. You can see I have already turned off. So if I try to turn on, it will ask me for the verification code that will be sent on my mobile email address. So you, whenever you turn off this option, like if you have enabled the email, then it will ask you for the verification code that has been sent on your uh, email address. So you just need to enter that verification code, and your option will be turned off. Fine. So if you try to log in by using just your password, it will be easily to do that. You don't have to and enter the verification code. So it is a one way verification after turning off these options. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.